Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for a new video. As promised, here is the nail video for you guys. As you can see, my nails were jacked up so bad. I already had some press-ons on. My nails were extremely long, so you just see me popping them off. What I noticed for me is that because my nails were so long with the press-ins, I was getting a lot of lifting. And once your nails start lifting, it's time to take them off. So I couldn't take anymore. I took them off. And now what you'll see me doing is just cutting my nails down. My nails grow really, really long. It's just natural. And so for me, short nails aren't really my thing because my nails grow like wildfire. But I'm just switching it up because who knows how long this quarantine is going to last and when the next time I'll be able to get my SNS back on. So now, as you can see, I'm just buffing my nails and filing them, doing all the prep before I go ahead and put on some new nails. Now, these are the nails that I'll be using. I ended up pulling out my coffin style and then my short square style. Now, originally, I wanted to use the coffin style because that's my favorite nail shape on me. I have fat hands and coffin style just works best. But I didn't have enough of these nails. I used them too much and I needed fresh pack. I'm just using whatever I have around the house because in my state, the beauty supply stores are closed. So I ended up having to go with the square ones, which for me is my least favorite, short and square, because it makes my already fat hands look even more stubby. But whatever. I went ahead and glued the nails on off camera. And now I'm going to be using this DND, which I've had for a while. One of my favorite and go-to colors is always like a soft baby pink. This color actually is called soft pink from DND, and it comes with the regular polish as well as the gel polish. So if you don't have a UV light or gel LED light to cure your nails, then you can still purchase these and just use the regular polish. The top coat is sold separately. I really do like the DND polishes. They have the widest variety range in terms of gel. The only thing that annoys me about them is the fact that the colors are really thick. So I ended up having to do 3 layers of the soft color because it is the soft pink. Because it is such a light color, you have to do more layers. So this is it coming out for the 3rd time from the light. And now I'm just putting on the top coat. I asked my nail tech this previously because I noticed that when I have on the acrylics or whatever, she doesn't put the base coat on my gel. And so she told me that the base coat is really for just when you're wearing your natural nails. So if you're wondering why I didn't put on a base coat, that's why. So I'm just going by what my nail tech told me. My light is really small, so as you can see, I can only put 4 fingers under it at a time. I've had this light for now probably about 5 to 6 years. It's portable. I love it, but it is on its last leg, so I'm going to have to upgrade here soon. Luckily for me, I had all of this stuff in my house already, but I will try to link everything down below for you girls who don't have this stuff on hand. This is how my nails ended up turning out, and I think I did a pretty good job. I do suck at polishing, so I just like to do very, very thin, small strokes. I'm just finishing up with some cuticle oil because my hands and nails tend to be really dry, especially with the fact that we are washing them so much. For me, these nails tend to last 1 to 2 weeks. It just depends on how rough I am. And so shorter is better when I'm wearing these nails that are more fragile, as opposed to when I have my SNS and acrylic. I can go as long as I want to because I'm not have to worry about my nails breaking because you're strong. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope maybe I inspired you to try to do your own nails, or I showed you the way that I did mine. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to be doing some more of these DIY style videos coming up throughout this quarantine, because DIY beauty is back, baby. I don't have much else to say. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves.